There are a couple different ways that I can turn in work on Google Classroom. Let's open up an assignment and look at the first way. So this assignment has material attached for me to work on. I would need to open up this link, do all the work inside that document that I need to do, and then when I'm all done with the entire assignment, I can go ahead and click on the green Turn In button. A box pops up to ask whether I'm sure I want to turn in my assignment, and then I can click on the Turn In button again. And now this project has been turned in, and my teachers have gotten an email letting them know that I submitted that work. If for some reason I want to go back into this document and make any changes, I can't do that now because I've already turned it in. It won't let me make changes. What I can do, though, is click on this Unsubmit button and then Unsubmit again. And that will give me back my projects to make changes to. I just need to make sure, though, that if I make any changes here, I have to go back and click Turn In again so that my teachers are notified again that the work is finished and ready to be graded. The other thing that I can do, let's say it's on an assignment that didn't have a document that I needed to work on. This assignment gives me links to a video and another website to go to and to do some work on. So once I've watched the video and I've gone to this other link and I've done all the work there that I'm supposed to do, one thing I can do is just click this green Mark as Done to let my teachers know that, yep, I went to that website and I did everything that you asked me to. I'm going to mark as done. Again, just like before, if I need to, I can unsubmit to let teachers know that I actually am going to go back and make some changes and then turn in the work again later. No work attached here just means I don't have any documents or PDFs or pictures that I've attached to this particular assignment. I'm going to click on Unsubmit because what if I do want to attach maybe a screenshot from that website to let my teachers know what I was doing there, or I want to maybe like type up a summary or type up a story to let them know how the work went. Well, I can use this Add or Create button. And from here, I can add documents that I've saved somewhere else. If I took a screenshot, then it's saved on my computer or my Chromebook. Maybe I want to attach a file, or if I want to attach a link to a project on another website, I can do that here as well. Or I can create a new document or slide deck or drawing or Google Sheet directly in this assignment. I can type up whatever I want to type up for my teachers. And then, again, once I'm done doing all that, I would just click Mark as Done, or this green bar will change to, say, Turn In if I've attached some documents here, and I would click Turn In to send those documents to my teacher.